Serena Draves.
And you are in the Quatro socket?
Yes.
Yeah.
And I love it.
What do you like most about it?
The fact that after a long day of shopping and whatever, when my stump is smaller, I can tighten it up and still be comfortable. Yeah, my morning stump size to the evening stump size is usually decently different. And that's probably one of my favorite things about it.
Is it getting in and out compared to your old sock?
It's so easy to pop it, like first thing in the morning when you're a little swollen from the night, retaining water, whatever. Sometimes it's hard to get to the full bottom, so then you have to like re-put it on later, and it's just kind of a pain to mess with. Being able to loosen it the whole way, I can get in the whole way, all the way to the bottom, strap in really good, and then tighten it up to whatever's comfortable. So it's much easier. I like this leg also because as I lose weight after having this little guy, it fit for a much longer range before Joe had to make another one. Sitting in the car used to be very uncomfortable, and you have to mess with taking it off, and that's pain. So I love that I can loosen it. We went to a concert, and right before I got this one, and it was so uncomfortable by the end, I was so ready to stand up. And I love the concert, but this one I'm very excited that I can sit for longer periods of time.
Mommy.